I started off with taping up on top of the previously painted white with some electrical tape to create some nice sharp lines, and painted the area with some cobalt blue, and then added my glitter. Right, so you didn't really need to have any tape on the bottom there. I just kind of eyeballed it around the line and then added more glitter to the stem. When we're all done, then let it dry. Then I give it all a nice coat of Mod Podge dishwasher safe sealer and glue to trap all that glitter in there, so then that way it doesn't get all over your hands. And then I can just scoop it all back into my bottle. There's no wasting glitter here.